Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making this design. This was daily design number 800 and something. And yeah, it's a pretty easy one. So yeah, hi. So let's just start. I'm going to firstly start off by importing my images. Those are just one image of clouds in the sky and then another image of a little boat. I got both of these from Pexels.com. I get mostly all my free images from there. This is not sponsored, by the way. I think they have like a cool selection of images to use. And I changed the blending mode of the little boat. I duplicate my clouds layer on top of everything, add a layer mask, invert the layer mask, and then start painting with some clouds brushes that I've downloaded recently. It's a pretty cool pack, and I think this was free as well. And with my cloud brushes, make sure they're set on white color as your foreground color. You're just gonna paint some little clouds above. It's basically going to mask the image so that you're gonna reveal the clouds again. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm switching up the clouds. I change up the opacity or the flow of the brush just to give it that transparency, and yeah, that's it. It's literally that easy. I use this technique for so many of the things you see when I'm trying to blend in, I don't know, like a foot in grass. So I want some strands of grass appearing in front of the shoe. It's a super useful technique. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like this, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!